Did you know one of Britain's most wanted criminals spent 36 years mocking police from a beach in Brazil? Ronnie Biggs pulled off the impossible twice. First, he helped steal £2.6 million in the Great Train Robbery of 1963. But that was just the beginning. After serving only 15 months of his 30-year sentence, Biggs scaled a 30-foot prison wall using rope ladders his friends smuggled in. Most escaped prisoners tried to disappear. Not Biggs. He got plastic surgery, fled to Australia with a fake name, then moved to Brazil where he had a son to block extradition. For over 3 decades he lived openly in Rio, giving interviews to reporters, recording music albums, and selling autographs to tourists visiting the beach. British authorities could only watch as their most embarrassing fugitive taunted them from paradise. The chase finally ended in 2001 when homesickness and poor health forced Biggs to return home voluntarily. He was immediately arrested and spent his final years in the same prison system he had outsmarted decades earlier.